Who has become the second Indian to go to space in June 2025 after Rakesh Sharma? Right answer is option B, Subhanshu Shukla. Which of the following has become the first Indian organization to win 2025 Ramon Magsaysay Award? Right answer is option B, Foundation to Educate Girls.
Who has been appointed as Odisha's first woman chief secretary? Right answer is option B, Anu Garg.
Who has authored the book titled M.S. Swaminathan, The Man Who Fed India? Right answer is option B, Priyambada Jay Kumar. Where has India's first butterfly sanctuary been established? Right answer is option B, Aralam, Kerala.
Who won the 2025 Booker Prize for his novel Flash? Right answer is option B, David Saleh. Gogabil Lake, which was recently designated as the 94th Ramsar site of India, is located in which state? Right answer is option A, Bihar. Who has been appointed as the 53rd Chief Justice of India? Right answer is option C, Justice Suryakant.
Who was honored with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award 2023 in September 2025? Right answer is option D, Mohan Lal. Which state has recently declared 2025 to 2035 as the decade of hydropower? Right answer is option C, Arunachal Pradesh. The Badminton World Championships 2026 will be hosted by which country? Right answer is option D, New Delhi, India.
India won ICC Women's Cricket World Cup 2025 by defeating which country in the final? Right answer is option C, South Africa.
India has been elected as a member of which UN body for 2026 to 28 term? Right answer is option D, both B and C, UN Human Rights Council and UN Economic and Social Council.
Which Indian state has been officially declared as country's first fully literate state? Right answer is option C, Mizoram. Recently, who won the Under 19 Asia Cup final at ICC Academy Ground, Dubai? Right answer is option C, Pakistan.
Which has become the first Indian city to install portable solar panels between railway tracks? Right answer is option A, Varanasi.
India's first cheetah safari has been launched in which national park? Right answer is option A, Kuno National Park, Madhya Pradesh.
Who has recently become a new member of BRICS New Development Bank? Right answer is option B, Algeria. Who has been awarded the Ballon d'Or Award 2025 in the men's category? Right answer is option B, Osman Dembele. Who recently won the Rapid title in the 2025 Grand Chess Tournament? Right answer is option B, D. Gukesh.
Who has been appointed as the Managing Director of State Bank of India? Right answer is option A, Ravi Ranjan.
Who has been crowned as the 72nd Miss World 2025? Right answer is option D, Opal Suchata Chuangsri. Which country has recently launched the world's first crypto tourism payment system? Right answer is option B, Bhutan. Who has won the World Food Prize 2025 for her pioneering work in biological nitrogen fixation and sustainable agriculture? Right answer is option C, Marangela Hungria. Who has been appointed as the first woman Director General of Railway Protection Force? Right answer is option A, Sonali Misra. India's first temperate glass plant has been inaugurated in which of the following cities? Right answer is option C, Noida.
Which team has won the Irani Cup 2025 to 26? Right answer is option B, Vidarbha.
President Draupadi Murmu was recently awarded City Key of Honor in which European city? Right answer is option A, Lisbon. Who has been elected as the President of the 18th session of the United Nations General Assembly? Right answer is option A, Annalena Baerbock.
Exercise Samudra Shakti 2025 is conducted between India and which country? Right answer is option D, Indonesia. Which state's Silisher Lake has been declared as India's new Ramsar site? Right answer is option B, Rajasthan.
Who has been recently awarded the Pen Pinter Prize 2025? Right answer is option B, Leela Abolela. Which state has the highest number of solar power installations under PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana? Right answer is option A, Gujarat.
What is India's rank in the 2025 Economic Freedom Index? Right answer is option C, 128th rank.
Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Sashastra Seema Bal? Right answer is option B, Sanjay Singhal. Which Indian city hosted the Women's Kabaddi World Cup 2025? Right answer is option A, Hyderabad, Telangana. Who has become the first Indian to receive the Fred Darrington Sandmaster Award? Right answer is option C, Sudarshan Patnaik. The joint military exercise Equivalent is held between India and which country? Right answer is option A, Maldives. The National Makhana Board was launched in which state? Right answer is option C, Bihar. Who became the 11th Indian cricketer to be inducted into the ICC Hall of Fame? Right answer is option D, MS Dhoni. Who has won the first Chess Esports World Cup 2025? Right answer is option B, Magnus Carlsen.
Who assumed charge as the 35th Director General of National Cadet Corps? Right answer is option B, Lieutenant General Virendra Vats.
Who has been awarded the National Kishore Kumar Award 2025? Right answer is option C, Sanjay Leela Bhansali. Which two countries will be co-host of the 4th UN Ocean Conference in 2028? Right answer is option A, South Korea and Chile.
What is the rank of India in Asian Youth Para Games 2025? Right answer is option A, 7th rank.
Which team has won the 18th edition of the Indian Premier League? Right answer is option C, Royal Challengers Bengaluru.
Recently, who has been appointed as the 15th administrator of NASA? Right answer is option A, Jared Isaacman. Who of the following has been honored posthumously with Vigyan Ratna Award? Right answer is option A, Professor Jayant Vishnu Narlikar. Where was the World Health Summit 2025 held in October 2025? Right answer is option C, Berlin, Germany. Which long-standing rural employment scheme has been replaced by the VBG Ramji Act 2025? Right answer is option D, Manrega.
Which protected area of Odisha has been declared the 107th National Park of India? Right answer is option C, Simlipal National Park. What was the theme of Earth Day 2025? Right answer is option C, Our Power, Our Planet. Where was the 6th BIMSTEC Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option B, Thailand. In which state was India's first aquatic park inaugurated recently? Right answer is option C, Assam. Which country hosted the CONVEX 3, the world's largest nuclear emergency exercise, in 2025? Right answer is option A, Romania.
Where was the 2025 Youth Spiritual Summit organized? Right answer is option B, Varanasi.
Which city will host the 11th Asian Aquatics Championships 2025? Right answer is option B, Ahmedabad. Who has been selected as the Wisden Cricketer of the Year 2025? Right answer is option A, Jasprit Bumrah. How many players were honored with the Khel Ratna Award 2025? Right answer is option B, 4 players. Which has become the fourth capital in the northeast region, which is connected to the national rail network? Right answer is option D as well. What is India's rank in the Global Peace Index 2025? Right answer is option C, 115th rank. Which district has become India's first fully solar powered district in May 2025? Right answer is option C, Diu. Where is India's first e-waste eco park is being established? Right answer is option D, Delhi. The world's highest Chenab Railway Arc Bridge is located in which state or UT? Right answer is option B, Jammu and Kashmir. Which state has topped the medal tally at the first edition of Khelo India Water Sports 2025? Right answer is option D, Madhya Pradesh. How many people were awarded the Goldman Environment Prize for 2025? Right answer is option C, 7 people.
Where did India-Russia joint military exercise Indra 2025 take place recently? Right answer is option B, Bikaner, Rajasthan.
Where is the world's first CO2 to methanol plant inaugurated? Right answer is option C, Vindhyachal, Madhya Pradesh.
The ban on new mining leases in the Aravalli Range applies to which regions? Right answer is option B, from Gujarat to the National Capital Region.
Which country has been selected to host the 8th edition of the Commonwealth Youth Games in 2027? Right answer is option A, Malta. India's first biopolymer manufacturing plant will be set up in which district of Uttar Pradesh? Right answer is option C, Lakhimpur Kheri. Which team won the Duleep Trophy title 2025? Right answer is option C, Central Zone. Who has been awarded the Nobel Peace Prize 2025? Right answer is option C, Maria Corina Machado of Venezuela.
Who won India's first ever Miss Universe title in 2025? Right answer is option B, Sari Singh.
Who has been reappointed as a director of CBI till May 2026? Right answer is option A, Praveen Sood.
Who has recently been appointed as the executive director of the International Monetary Fund? Right answer is option A, Urjit Patel.
Who has been awarded the prestigious Abel Prize 2025? Right answer is option B, Masaki Kashiwara. Who will be awarded the 34th Saraswati Samman in 2025? Right answer is option C, Bhadresh Das Swamy. India's largest international cruise terminal has been launched in which city? Right answer is option B, Mumbai. Where is India's first quantum computing village has been established? Right answer is option B, Amravati, Andhra Pradesh. What was the theme for World Meteorological Day 2025? Right answer is option B, closing the early warning gap together.
As of December 2025, how many Ramsar sites are there in India? Right answer is option D, 96. Which site was recently included as India's 13th Biosphere Reserve by UNESCO in September 2025? Right answer is option A, Cold Desert.
Who won the Best Motion Picture Drama Award at the 82nd Golden Globe Awards 2025? Right answer is option A, The Brutalist. What is India's rank in the 2025 World Competitiveness Index? Right answer is option C, 41st rank.
Who launched the world's first virtual museum of stolen cultural property? Right answer is option C, UNESCO.
Who has been appointed as the Controller General of Accounts in 2025? Right answer is option C, TCA Kalyani. Which institution has launched the first ever India Electric Mobility Index? Right answer is option C, Niti Aayog. Which state tops the medal tally of Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Right answer is option B, Maharashtra. Where has ISRO launched the HOPE Himalayan Outpost for Planetary Exploration mission for Gaganyaan? Right answer is option D, Ladakh. Who has been elected as the 15th Vice President of India? Right answer is option A, CP Radhakrishnan. Which country recently honored Prime Minister Narendra Modi with its highest civilian award, Mitra Vibhushan? Right answer is option A, Sri Lanka. Who has been appointed as the new Chief of Research and Analysis Wing? Right answer is option A, Parag Jain. Which ISRO chief has been honored with the GP Birla Memorial Award in July 2025? Right answer is option A, V. Narayanan. Who has been appointed as the chairman of SEBI in February 2025? Right answer is option A, Tuhin Kanta Pandey. Which Indian state will host the Fied Chess World Cup 2025? Right answer is option A, Goa. Where was the 9th edition of Global Technology Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option C, New Delhi. Who will be appointed as the new president of BCCI? Right answer is option C, Mithun Manhas. Where was the COP15 conference of the Ramsar Convention held? Right answer is option B, Victoria Falls, Zimbabwe.
In which state Khelo India Travel Games 2026 will be organized? If you know the correct answer of this question, so give your answer of this question in this video comment box. Now see you soon in the next coming informative video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon for new updates and notifications.